Aswathi Industries Limited, leading engineering solution provider in India. Aswathi Industries Limited design, manufacture and supply incineration system for industrial hazardous waste, liquid organic or aqueous waste, solid, semi-solid and terry waste, gaseous fumes, hospital biomedical wastes, trash, garbage and canteen waste. Aswathi Industries Limited design incineration system based on nature of waste, stationary type incineration system, rotary kiln type incineration system, pyrolysis type incineration system, thermal oxidizer, spray incineration, biomedical incinerator, air pollution system. For more details visit www.aswathiindustries.com or mail on sales@aswathiindustries.com. For more details visit www.aswathiindustries.com or mail on sales@aswathiindustries.com.